Good morning, everyone. Now that you know a little bit about me and what school counselors do, I want to share a new favorite book of mine. This story is called I Am Love, a Story of Compassion by Peter Reynolds. This story is very special to me because it was a gift from Mr. Wooden and Ms. Gazdia to all the staff members. We'll talk about how it can relate to school counseling at the end of the story. Hope you enjoy. It's called I Am Love. When I see someone going through a storm, of hurt and unfairness, and anger and sadness, when the sun disappears and the skies grow dark, and I see there is fear, I ask myself, what can I do to help the light back in? I put my hand over my heart and listen, and that is where I find the answer. I have compassion, love, I act with tenderness. I am love. I can listen and not say a word. I can be there. Love is being present. I can hug and hold and say everything will be all right. Love is comfort. I can speak softly and choose my words and actions carefully. Love is gentle. I can give thanks for all I'm able to share. Love is gratitude. I can keep my mind and body safe and healthy. Love is taking care of me. I can express what's important to me. Love is creative. I can know that no one is perfect. Love is understanding. I can do my best to make things better. When something is wrong, love is effort. I can celebrate those I've loved before. Love is remembering. I can find goodness in a kind word, a helping hand, or a shared smile. Love is tiny gestures. I can breathe in the air the whole world shares, and know all creatures are made from the very same stardust. Love is connection. When the clouds roll in for others and me, I know there's something I can do. I can let my heart lead the way. I am love. You are love. We are love. And with love, we will weather the storm and light up the sky together. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. It always puts a smile to my face every time I read it. As a school counselor, I am here for you. I will help you and listen and help you with strong feelings, or if you're going through a tough time or need someone to listen to. I will see you guys next week. Check on the Padlet for the assignment. Have a wonderful day.